All right, so we're back at VetLab for round 2 of our Cornerstone Performance twin turbo kit. That's going to bolt on to any Red Eye, Demon, Hellcat 2015 on. Scat pack coming. Might have to make some small changes, but I think it'll work. Round 1 went okay. We got it done in 3-4 days right before sick week, and it was stressful. But we made it happen. The car made it down there. Car trapped, mid 150s, and didn't make quite the pass we wanted it to. We couldn't get it to leave on any power. I think we oversized the turbos, which is all part of testing and R&D. We're back round 2 with a little bit smaller turbos. I will release the sizes once we confirm that they work today. Car's going to be heading on the dyno here just shortly. Didn't change much other than turbo sizes. Tightened down the exhaust housing quite a bit so we could hopefully get it to spool a little bit faster. Other than that, kit's pretty much the same. We have a Holley Sniper intake manifold on there. Holley fuel rails. On this particular car, we're running 1300 cc injectors. It is on E85. It is 100% stock motor, stock cam, stock trans, stock converters, stock axles, stock everything other than our bolt-on twin turbo kit. So stay tuned for next roll for some footage of us on the dyno, and hopefully this thing can make some power. We're headed to Vegas for the new Dodge Demon unveiling in 4 days. So we're gonna go down there to Las Vegas Speedway and make some passes with all the other cars down there for roadkill. And hopefully we can get this thing to run a mid-low 8-second pass on stock everything, and we'll see what happens.